Okay guys, this is my fridge. You see what I mean? It's like packed full. You can't even see what's in there. I don't even know what's behind all of this front layer of stuff. The drawer's packed full. The veggie drawer isn't too full. This, we have an ungodly amount of apples for some reason. You just can't even see anything. So stuff in the back just spoils. I literally have no clue what's in there. The door is all packed full of crap. And then I'll show you this freezer also. Can you just be quiet for a second? See, look, these are baby food things that you put in baggies. Look, you don't even know what's behind anything. You have to dig everything out just to even see what you have, and I'm just over it. So yeah, I'll show you the deep freeze in a minute. Okay, and here is the deep freeze. Packed to the top with everything under the sun, and you just don't know what's in there because you have to dig. And this mama can't do it anymore. Ooh, I forgot I had that. That looks so good. But yeah, so that's the befores. Okay, so first I'm just going to start out by emptying out the fridge, taking everything out. Angie, you want to take these things out and put them on the counter?
Sure.
Things out of the door.
I waved to them, and I also gave them a kiss. Because I love you guys. I have so many subscribers. I wish I could get more than them.
Yeah.
I wish I could get the same amount, but I'm only at like 67 or 66 or 65.
You have 67 subscribers?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, everything is out of the fridge, every single thing. So now I'm going to wash it down and wash out these drawers. Okay guys, so we're started in here. Look at my turntable. It has like all my pickles, my garlic, my banana peppers, these cherries, which we don't use those very often. I could probably put them somewhere else, but they fit on there just fine, so. Well, they did. So yeah, pickles. We got some pizza sauce. My salsa I use all the time though, because like this is stuff we don't get out like daily, so it doesn't need to be front and center in the fridge. there's that. Salsa, I don't know. Cherries. Oh, that's like our extra thing of Velveeta that my mom gave us. I'll put the salsa over there, eggs, bacon. We have our cottage cheese and yogurts, like our dairy stuff on here. Meat, so far I have our turkey and our ham, and then pepperoni. Adri's oranges, her chocolate milks, her juices, her waters will go in this. This is our leftovers. I'll put big waters on this shelf, and then we have pop, and then these are like cheese sticks. They just kind of sit up there. I have to put away the produce. I'm working on putting away this stuff too. So yeah, it's coming together. Okay guys, the fridge is done. Dun, da, da, da. So we have hot dogs, cream cheese, bacon bits, just random stuff. Our milk, Alex's milk, salad dressings, and condiments and stuff. And then in here we have our eggs, bacon. This is like the leftover shelf, or like Jay's lunch shelf, because that'll go in his lunch tomorrow. We have a little dessert, cocktail sauce, salsa, and the Velveeta cheese is back there. I showed you our pickles and pepper rings. Pasta sauce is on there. We have some soft shells, which after tonight we won't have 2 packs anyway. In here I have extra unopened cheese. This is open cheese. We have an open cheddar, open mozzarella, and open Parmesan and pepperoni. We have ham and turkey. This is some sliced cheddar. On this little Lazy Susan, we have our dairy. We have cottage cheese, yogurt, Parmesan cheese, dip, sour cream, some extra fruit, because we have a stockpile of apples. My stepdad brought us apples and my mom brought us apples, and we already had a bunch of apples because I bought a bag and got a bag for free when they were on sale. Leftover baby food. This is kind of Adri's drawer, her little Lunchables, some oranges. Babe. Her juice boxes. This will be her chocolate milks. People give me crap when I stir stuff with a metal fork on metal. This is already ready to eat produce. So we have some lettuce. This is strawberries, and then we have raspberries, blueberries. I don't really know how it's going to work. It'll depend on what we have on hand. Some grapefruit. Like I said, this drawer is just packed full of apples and oranges. That's all that's in the whole drawer. Over here we have cut up broccoli, sliced up bell peppers, and then we have a bell pepper that I sliced up for Jay's sandwiches. We have some cucumbers and a red onion. And yeah, everything has a place. It's nice and neat and organized. And right now, like I said, we have an excess of that, so I should be able to keep my fruit in there and not necessarily in there. I just need to put in some pop, and some of Adri's waters will go in there. And yeah, my fridge is clean out. I'm gonna have to do my freezer later, because right now we're making dinner. But yeah, there's my after on my refrigerator. Okay guys, so Jay got the leftovers out this morning. It's the next day. So we're gonna have a basket like with our little snacks, our treats in it, like little candy bars to keep cold. I'm not exactly sure where it's gonna go. For now, it's just gonna go right there, because like I said, this drawer is not gonna always be so full. So then like this random fruit, and then the fruit that's in there will be able to go in the fruit drawer. But I stocked the pop. This pop thing I've had, it's actually from Aldi's. But they do have them at Dollar Tree. They're clear plastic. This bin that has the cheese is from Dollar Tree. These little bins, these little trays that have her oranges and juice boxes, these are all also from Dollar Tree. Sorry. So yeah, those are from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. That's from Dollar Tree. That's from Dollar Tree. That holder's from Dollar Tree. And then they do have pop can holders at Dollar Tree, and they do have the Lazy Susans at Dollar Tree. They just didn't have it at mine, but I've seen 2 videos now where they had those at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I love it. A little pop of color. It's nice and organized. And now we just need to start eating some apples and get some of those out of there.